A long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above his bed, watching all the couples play, and wishing that he had someone too. And from his lover came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to love her. Years of singing all alone turned his lava into stone until he was on the brink of extinction.